What's up, guys? Feed you information here. So, Electronic Arts is down big, 10.6% after quarter three miss, trimmed guidance. So, let's get into this. Bookings and adjusted profit fell short of consensus, and the company cut full-year guidance on both metrics. While digital revenues of $1.2 billion were mostly in line, packaged goods and other revenues of $410 million fell well short of consensus for $527.7 million. Gross profit rose to $876 million, up 33% year over year. Gross margin came in at 77.4%. Net revenue breakout product, $552 million, up 0.9%. Service and other, $737 million, up 20.2%. Quarter three was a difficult quarter for Electronic Arts, and we did not perform to our expectations, says CEO Andrew Wilson. That's because you guys do micro deposits and you have to stop. We are now applying the strength of our company to sharpen our execution and focus on delivering great new games and long-term live services for our players. Hopefully they're good games without micro deposits. For quarter four, it's guiding to net bookings of about $1.17 billion, below consensus for $1.75 billion. So missing on $600 million, that's about a 50% miss. Well, if we're going to actually do the math, it's more of like a 33% miss, sorry. It expects 2019 adjusted revenue of about $4.875 billion, down from a previous forecast for $5.2 billion, and sees adjusted EPS coming in at $3.85 billion or $3.85 versus a prior $4.57. Now, this $3.85 in comparison to $4.57, I already did the math, is a 16% miss. So that's a significant miss. So a pretty ugly earnings for Electronic Arts. However, I'm already down 8% before the market close, so it's going to be well past my 15% mark. If it pushes to 20, I'm going to be even happier because obviously, as I always tell you guys, I want to lower my average costs. EA is already very cheap price to earnings wise, so I'm going to be happy to be buying this company more and more tomorrow. We'll see how much it actually drops, and if I decide to wait and maybe see if it pushes to 20%, or if it just stays right at that 10% and I choose to buy. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry that I didn't include the EPS. Sorry, let's, portfolio, EA. As you guys see right here, it shows 0.86, but if you actually go to Robinhood, there we go. Then you guys can see that it actually posted 1.93 in comparison to 1.95. So it did miss, but not by much. That's the only ugly thing that I saw. That was the only thing that it almost came close to. But other than that, ugly earnings, EA. Feed you information, out.